Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into a game-changing tech release that has taken the market by storm. Introducing the CMF by Nothing product range, a lineup so impressive it's hard to believe until you see it for yourself. Starting with the Power 65W GAN charger, a compact 3-in-1 design boasting ultra-fast charging capabilities. Not only is it universally compatible, but it also has a weight of just 146.1 g in its US version. For those of you in Asia, like me, it's designed with a 220V US plug. The back features 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB 4 port. The technical details? They're incredible. This charger provides 65W fast charging, enhanced by the latest GAN tech for maximum efficiency and safety. It's also compatible with major fast charging protocols. And the protection features? Top-notch. Safeguards against practically everything, ensuring your devices are always safe. Then we have the Buds Pro. Featuring a 45 dB hybrid active noise cancellation, these earbuds promise an immersive sound experience. With a playback time of up to 11 hours on the buds alone, they're perfect for long listening sessions. The earbuds come with a plethora of in-box accessories and offer features like Google Fast Pair, Microsoft Swift Pair, and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. But what's most impressive is the audio quality. The active noise cancellation is unparalleled, with 3 customizable modes. Plus, they're designed for everyday wear with IP54 dust and water resistance. Lastly, the Watch Pro, a stunning 1.96 AMOLED display takes center stage, providing a crisp and clear view of all your notifications. It's not just about looks, though. This watch is packed with features, from Bluetooth calls with AI noise reduction to built-in multi-system GPS. It's perfect for those on the move, offering 110 different sports modes and an impressive 13-day battery life. In conclusion, CMF by Nothing has truly outwon themselves. Each product not only meets but exceeds the expectations set by modern tech standards. The launch is set for October 16th. I'm personally considering trading in my Apple Watch Ultra for these. Why? Because this trio offers the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology with practicality. How much do you think each product will be priced at? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next review.